This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the exact paragraph or paragraphs to become a block quote. This ensures only the intended text shifts. Once selected, open Format, then Align and Indent, and choose indentation options so you control margins precisely. Make sure to set a left indent value or use special indent with hanging if you prefer the first line different. This approach gives you consistent spacing and keeps your document structure clean while you proceed to styling and fine-tuning. Next, refine how the block quote looks and reads. Increase the left indent to 0, 5 or 1 inch so the quote stands apart, then adjust line spacing or add space before and after the paragraph to improve readability. You can also change font size, apply italic, or insert a thin vertical bar character at the left to mimic traditional block quote styling. Once done, consistency matters. Use the Paint Format tool to copy these styles to other quotes quickly. Finish by making the block quote reusable. Use Paint Format to copy it or save it as a custom paragraph style so you don't repeat steps. Then check how it looks in mobile view and confirm collaborators have edit right so formatting persists. If the indent or styling mysteriously resets, clear direct formatting on the paragraph and reapply your indentation and style. Sometimes conflicting styles from pasted text cause resets, so paste without formatting when bringing text in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.